Hi everybody, Ray Hayden here, and this video is going to answer the question of why I prefer to use a front-facing camera on my smartphone, and the answer is the screen. The smartphones have an incredibly large screen on them, which is larger than any of the flip-out screens we eventually had when I was shooting video professionally. They're larger, they're clearer, they have more information available on them, and they're just all around just fantastic. So this is why primarily I prefer the front-facing camera on my smartphone. In fact, I've been waiting for a really long time for the smartphone cameras to be good enough, and they're almost there, to actually do all my video on the smartphone. So with that, that's the primary answer is because of the size of the screen. That's why I prefer to use a front-facing camera on the smartphone, but also the software that I use. Every camera is going to come, or every smartphone is going to come with software that we can use to run a camera, and it's going to be designed and tweaked in slightly different ways. But I also add in an additional software application called Open Camera. Now, Open Camera is a software package I've been using for a long time now because it is consistent, right? So I know whatever company phone I have or whatever brand or model of phone I have, I don't have to worry about different packages of software to use to make my video. Open Camera gives me all the things I want to see, and it's consistent across platforms and across manufacturers' phones because the software is independent thereof, but it still works with it, all right? So what I really hope for is that the camera is good enough to be able to do the justification for the software that I'm using to do it to get the best video possible. Along with open software, though, that particular software has something that's also probably equally important to the size of the screen that we have, and that's a VU meter built right into the screen and into the software, so that when I'm making my video, I'm in front of the camera now and I'm not wearing a headset. When I'm a videographer who's behind the camera and operating the camera, I'm going to have a headset on and monitoring the sound live. So if there's any kind of issue or problem, we can immediately address it and take corrective action. But being in front of the camera, I'm not wearing headphones, and I need to be able to have at least a visual indication of what's going on. And Open Camera has a VU meter, and the other software packages probably have it as well. But I know where to look, how to look, and just a side of my eye glance and make sure that the audio should be working well. I won't really know until I watch the video in post-production and see if it's good or not, and then we make the determination from there. But that is the answer. The screen size is the #1 reason why I prefer to use the front-facing camera on my smartphone. One other additional thing is the microphone. The microphone itself allows me to do a lot of things with the camera, and I'll make some notes about that in a future video because it'll take me 2 or 3 minutes to discuss that. But the bottom line is I now trust these wireless microphones to work with the software and with the equipment to get the job done audio-wise, all right? So keep your eye out for that and your ear for the audio video that I'll be making in the very near future on this as well. And with that, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like the video, drop a comment below, let me know you came by to say hi. And if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate the growth on the network. And they now have this hype thing that you can use. If you have a hype available and you like this video, you think in creators helping creators, it's a valuable video for new YouTubers, by all means, do me a favor and use your hype and hype this video. I greatly appreciate that boost for this particular video. And until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.